Mint potato rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the mint recipes and one of the most different of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the mint rice recipes and one of the most unique of the potato rice recipes. Today we're going to make mint potato rice. The ingredients are around 100 grams of potato peeled and cut into pieces, and 15 grams of fennel seeds, 2 red chillies, around 10 grams of nigella seeds, 15 grams of fenugreek seeds, 2 green chillies, 1 tomato cut into pieces, around 100 grams of mint leaves, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, and 10 shallots. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the fenugreek seeds. Salt. Let them pop. Now put in the nigella seeds in the fennel seeds. Put in the red chillies. Salt. Salt and keep on salt. Now put in the shallots. Salt. Salt the shallots. Put the rest of the mixture. Keep on salt. Now put in the ginger. And the green chili. Now put in the garlic, salt, salt the garlic, the rest of the mix. Now put in the mint leaf, three-fourths of the mint leaf, Now put in the tomato piece, salt the tomato piece, put in the potato pieces, Now put in salt to taste. Mix. Salt and mix. pouring 200 ml of water. Mix thoroughly. And let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 10 to 12 minutes. After cooking for the required time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 10 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now the mint potato rice is ready. It can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final mint potato rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the mint recipes and one of the most unique of the mint rice recipes and one of the most different of the potato rice recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe and press the notification button.